Feel the vibe, feel the terror, feel the pain, it's driving me insane. I can't fake, for God's sake, why I'm driving in the wrong lane. Trouble is my middle name, but at the end I'm not too bad. Can someone tell me if it's wrong to be so mad about you? Mad about you. Mad about. Give me all your true hate and I'll translate it in your bed. For it never seemed passion, and that is why I am so mad about you. Mad about you. Hey guys, I'm Vasco and today I'll show you how I'm playing Mad About You by Hooverphonic. We'll do it with a low G string ukulele. We need it for the bass, and also it's not really enough. We're missing one tone, but I have a good workaround. We're doing it in the original key, and also as always, first I'll show you just the structure of the song with the chords so you can just strum it, and after that we'll dig into some details so you can make it cooler. Alright, so grab your low G and let's go. Okay, so the main part basically starts from B minor to B minor 7 and then G major 7 and then F sharp. Alright, so that will be the main part. And if I'm strumming it like this, I will do a strumming pattern, something like 1 down on the G string, then strum on all strings, and right before going to the next chord I'll just do one very quick down again on the G string and then grabbing the next chord, so it will be something like. And to make some dynamics, when there is the chorus, I'll just do 2 down strums in the beginning, something like this. And also there is the bridge part, which basically is just E minor to F sharp twice. Trouble is your middle name, but at the end you're not too bad. Can someone tell me if it's right to be so mad about you? To main part. Mad about you. Okay, so basically this sums up the structure of the song, but now let me start with the details and how to make it sound cooler. First I'm grabbing B minor like this and starting with the G string, E string, and then A string with the pinky on the 5th fret, and then I'm pulling down with the pinky, okay? And after that we play B minor with the A on top. I'm grabbing it with the middle finger right here because that way I'm not really interrupting the sound, because listen what happens if I play it as a B minor 7. There is like, I have to stop the sound, but if I do it with the middle finger, it is better. So if you can do it like this, do it. If not, do it with a bar. So this is the second one. Then just open it. And after that we need F sharp, but because we don't have F sharp here lower, we will play the next best thing, which is A sharp. So. Alright. Feel the vibe, feel the passion, feel the pain, it's driving me insane. pa 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 da pa da da pa pa da ba da ba da. Trouble. Can someone tell me if it's wrong to be so mad about you? And here I'm starting to strum the same way that I explained earlier, to make more dynamics in the song, to have a quieter part and a louder part. So mad about you, mad about you, mad about you. Then on the bridge, basically, I'm not doing anything special, just strumming like this. For it never seemed passion, that is why I am so mad about you. Getting back to mad about you, mad about you. Oh, and also there is this little bit of The Swan by Tchaikovsky, which I'll show you. And by the way, guys, let me know in the comments below if you would like to see some classical pieces, easy classical pieces here on this channel, because I think that we can learn together something like this. Let me know in the comments below if you would be interested in that. But now I'm coming closer to show you just this little piece from The Swan that we have in this song. All right, so we start with the B minor, and after that I play G string. The pointing finger slides up here to the first fret, second fret, with the pinky on the fourth fret of the C string, the E string, and then, and here, okay, finishing on F sharp, and I'm doing this with the pinky here on the C string, 4, 2, 1, first fret, barring, so. Trouble is your middle name, but in the end you're not too bad. Getting to the bridge, then this is oh why I am so mad about you. Alright, so that sums up my tutorial for Mad About You. It's a crazy good song. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope it was helpful for you. I hope you enjoyed learning with me. And if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and you'll see me on the next video. Goodbye.